Click on the search bar at the bottom left of your screen. A pop-up window will be shown as displayed. The search window shows you your most recent documents and other files as well as your top apps. To search for a specific file, application, or general subject, simply type your keyword or words in the search field. Depending on your search term, the results may point you to documents, apps, web pages, and other types of content. Use the Snip and Sketch tool to take snapshots of words, images, all or part of your PC screen. You can also make changes or notes, then save and share. It also allows you to annotate the image before saving using the editing tools in the header bar. Windows 10 includes a cool feature that allows you to search with a desktop screenshot taken with a Snip and Sketch built-in app. The process is very convenient as it starts with a single click. For a captured screenshot, Windows 10 will use Bing to find similar images and displays the results in Microsoft Edge. In this case, I searched for a similar Windows logo by selecting the image on screen as displayed. The Windows 10 search bar also allows you to search for any program, settings and apps by just typing into the search bar. As you start typing, it will pull up a window with search results. It's a convenient way to get to a program or setting quicker than going through various menus.